I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a vlog. I think this is going to be a week-long vlog. I am watching some TV. It is like 5 a.m. in the morning and we're getting ready to go on a cruise. So we're going to do a little get ready with me right now. Then I'm going to show you guys my fit, which is from Temu. It's new, my necklace and such. So I'm going to show you guys my fit when I'm done. But first off, we're going to do a little get ready with me, as I mentioned. So if you want to see that, if you want to see how my cruise goes, what's going on, what's happening in my life, just keep on watching. First off, I'm going to take the I Heart Do from Away Studio. This is not going to be a really like in-depth situation because I don't want this video to be too long, you know? So I'm just going ahead and throwing some of this on, which is so good. I also do have a little friend coming with me on the cruise. His name is Billy. So, you know, he might be popping up throughout the vlog. Who knows? But again, if you haven't tried these are so good. And they have like various types of these. I also don't have my mic plugged in. Don't know why. It's like literally like right there. So I do have two primers here. And as you can tell, I went with the gray theme because I'm going to be doing a little bit of a gray shadow for today. So first off, we have the City Color Clear Canvas Primer, which you guys have seen before, which is basically just like that watery kind of consistency. So I'm just going to throw that on. And it's just going to hydrate the skin because I have a feeling today's going to be really hot. It kind of just sinks into the skin really nicely and then like gives you a little bit of a tacky base, which is pretty perfect to me. Taking some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer as well, which was gifted to me a while back. I'm just going to take that in the T-zone area. It's just going to blur the skin a little bit. This is also not the makeup that I'm taking on the cruise. I have a whole different makeup bag, which I will be using in a different day. Maybe tomorrow I'll be using that makeup. But today I just went ahead and chose a bunch of different products. So I don't have to take out the makeup bag, put everything in, you know. So for today, I went ahead and chose the Smashbox Always On Skin Balancing Foundation, which was also gifted. And this one here is in M10W. So let's hope I'm not looking too orange because I don't remember how this color match was. So I'm gonna start blending this in. This is such a beautiful foundation, girl. This is so nice. Oh, this is so nice. And the shade is actually really good. All right, so the other day I did go to Ross. This might have been like maybe 3 weeks ago or something. And I have a couple of products from the Paris Hilton little collection. This one here was $4.99 at Ross. And this is the Contour and Sculpt, which is so cute. So I thought we'd use it today because why not? I have to switch out my face palette actually. Now that we're here, I did have the Smashbox Halo palette. I don't know why I have so much Smashbox today, but this one definitely has more like neutral tones in here. Going back in my everyday makeup drawer, I'm going to take the Revolution instead a little later. But again, first off, we're going to take these, which I did already open. I was going to take these with me on the cruise, but let me like try them out now. Love the little like packaging. Is so cute. I don't think I've ever purchased Paris Hilton products, but they become so popular as of lately. So we're gonna go ahead and take the bronzer stick first. That comes in this little collection, and this one is a little like red brown almost, but we're gonna work with what we got. Take some of that. It's like really nice and creamy though. Not pressing too hard. The only thing is like the product itself does not move down, so you have to be careful when you are popping this on. But this is so cute. Let's see how well this blends. So taking my brush, I think I got this at Dollar Tree. Actually, this smells really good. I didn't even notice that it's scented. It smells so nice. Very like sweet vibes. Ooh, that was so easy to blend. Again, this is very much first impressions vibes. I've never used these. Next, taking the blush stick, which is more on the pinky side. I'm going to take that up here. And again, these are very nice and creamy. Let me blend this out first. I want to see what this can do. Ooh. Now the reason I didn't pop these in for the cruise is that these look really creamy and almost hydrating. So I was like, girl, I don't want my makeup to be like slipping off, but this is blending really nicely. I'm gonna put some on the other side now, kind of balance. This is so pretty. Girl, Billy is like wanting attention right now. It's like huge. I don't know what's going on. I haven't even been wearing makeup these past weeks, so I don't know how he originated, but he's here. Ooh, that's really pretty. Lastly, we're gonna take the highlight, which is really nice as well. We're gonna take some on the cheeks. Now I was so scared that my Temu order was not gonna get here on time, because I did order this. I ordered a bunch of clothing the beginning of July, and it took forever for them to actually like ship it. So I was like, girl, like why? Because literally everything I ordered was for the cruise, and it came here like 2 days before, thankfully. So I am wearing one of the fits today, so I'm gonna again show you guys what that is. But girl, this highlight is really nice. I'm gonna tone down the blush a little bit with my sponge. These are so cute, girl. I'm really glad that I picked them up, because again, Paris Hilton, like they've been really popping off with their products lately, and these are no exception. These are so pretty. So if you happen to see them, they're actually really good. Taking some of my concealer. This is just the LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer, which is in my everyday makeup drawer, and I'm just gonna take that real quick. I still have to go pick up my boyfriend and bring him over here. He is coming on the cruise with us as well. Also, I'm gonna be using my Awa Studio Flawless pressed powder. As you can see, it's like, girl, I've used this. I love it. It's an M1, and I did go ahead and place a Chamase order, which did come a couple days ago, maybe last week. And I need to film that haul video. I have a lot of hauls accumulated again. I'm actually gonna take the concealer again and throw a little bit in the center. So I do have quite a few hauls accumulated, so I do have to film my hauls. I am taking a fresh one with me on the cruise, but this is the one that I'm trying to use up as of lately. So go ahead and blend this in. Ooh, I think I let this set for a little too long. Why? Girl, I think it's a foundation. It's like, I have to like blend things in quickly, girl. I did not know that. I haven't used this in a while, so girl, it's good to know. Taking some of the powder, I'm gonna go ahead and set the under eyes and the lid, and I'm actually just gonna use this all over the face. Such a beautiful powder. Then again, I do have a show playing in the background, so if you hear talking, it's not a ghost. I'm watching Good Witch. It has quickly become like, not quickly, I've literally been watching it for years, but it's just like my comfort show. I love just playing it before bed. It's just like play it whenever I'm feeling a little uneasy. I just love that show. It's so good. Taking that all over the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. As you can see, like I use this all the time. I love it. It's amazing. Go ahead and just pop these on the face. Taking some of the blush. Again, this one does go with that cream blush as well. Giving me that purple. I know it's too early. That pink flushed look, which is really nice. It is getting harder to get the product because this is so old, but I just love it. It's so good. And I love the 3-in-1 trio. So if I happen to see this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx again, definitely gonna pick it up. Taking the highlight as well. I'm also just throwing on some City Color brow gel, which this one might be a little too old, ew, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it one last time and throw it in my empties. Now we do lips. Now that we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Secret of Pharaoh Ebony New York Auto Lip Liner, my fave. This one here is in dark brown. I have both of my brown liners in my cruise makeup bag because I don't want to run out of that. So I'm using dark brown today. Alrighty. I'm a little scared to try this out, but this is the Paris Hilton Plumped and Hydrated 3-piece plumper set. So it comes with 3 different shades. We have the cherry, brown chocolate, and nude. So I kind of wanted to use nude today, but I'm kind of scared because you guys know my history with plumping glosses. It's like my lips are like sensitive vibes, so I don't know, but let's see how this works. If I feel like it's too much, I'm just gonna go ahead and get something else. But again, we're gonna try this shade here. It looks really pretty. Okay, so you just kind of twist up, and I'm gonna pop some in the center. A little tingling. I'm a little scared. Add a little more. It's not really that glossy. Actually, it does go with the fit perfectly. I wasn't gonna do lower lash line, but I think with the lashes I kind of have to because they're a little dramatic. So I'm gonna take the Ioni Cosmetics pencil eyeliner first and pop this on the lower lash line real quick. These are the lashes I'm gonna be popping on after my shadow, but I'm not gonna show you guys my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna throw on. So we have Ioni Cosmetics Wispy Smoky Medium Fox Eye lashes. I also do have a palette from Ross, and this was $5.99. This is the Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette, which gave me very much like Jeffree Star, ColourPop kind of vibe. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using today. And again, I'm just going to do it off camera because I am running a little late. So I have to hurry up. Slick Revolution Slick Flick liquid liner, Milk Makeup mascara, and then just a little bit of the Revolution Infinite setting spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop all that on. We'll be back. All right, girls, so I have finished the makeup and everything is on. Lashes are actually really pretty. I did go ahead and do my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my boyfriend, and we're gonna come back, get everyone ready, and then we're gonna start heading to the boat.